When it comes to makeup, it's essential to keep your tools clean and free from any pathogens, but with so many makeup cleaners on the market, it's really hard to figure out which one is the most effective. Last month, we went live and tested the top 3 traditional makeup cleaners: Cinema Secrets, Dawn Dish Soap, and Beauty Blender Soap. Each cleaner had 3 identical clean brushes straight out of the store, 1 brush with the control and was not exposed to any bacterial strains, nor was it cleaned. Another brush was exposed to the bacterial strains, and the 3rd brush was exposed to the bacterial strain and then washed with either Cinema Secrets, Dawn Dish Soap, or Beauty Blender Soap. So what did we find? The brushes exposed to the bacterial strain without cleaning showed significant bacterial growth, while the control brushes, which we were not exposed to any bacteria, showed no growth. This proves the importance of cleaning your makeup brushes regularly. Dawn Dish Soap and Cinema Secrets performed relatively the same. Both cleaners reduced the amount of bacterial cultures. However, Cinema Secrets didn't effectively clean as much as we had anticipated. But here's the exciting news. We tested Solis against the same bacterial strains, and we had no bacterial growth on our makeup brushes. We were confident in the technology we had built, but nothing is more exciting and validating than when a third party validates our initial findings. So if you're looking for a reliable and effective makeup cleaner that can sanitize viral, bacterial, and fungal microbes that are typically found on your makeup brushes, then Solis is the way to go. Keep your brushes clean, germ-free for healthy, glowing skin.